So we are here with the Hero 10 and also the 11, and we're going to talk about our SD card. Now, the 10 had often problems that it locked up, showed gray screens, blue screens, whatever you want to call it. They had problems, and it's possible that SD cards can cause those kind of things. Let me clean the screen a little bit. So the 10 here I have a little bit longer. This one is pretty new. Let's clean that up. There it is. Forget it. Now, what SD cards do I use in there? Let's start with the 11, and then you see what's in there. Oh, joke card here. This is one, and then here let's try the one in here. Yeah, that's the one I use in there. Okay. Both are working. I also have a 256 card of this brand, this variety. And yeah, let's do a close-up look on that one. So there they are. I can point them out here with my pencil. The Sandisk Extreme Pro 64GB I use, and the Samsung 128 Pro Plus I use. They both have the V30 video, XC1 they both have, the bucket with the 3 in it here, and the A2. Yeah, A2. So they both basically have the same specifications. And as I said, no problems with it. I have a problem with my pencil here. I need to sharpen this one. Maybe I should get a good pencil sharpener. So now that you saw it close up, this is my favorite though. The Samsung here. I can use the highest resolution this camera has. And it does then, when you do the settings right, like about 1 GB per minute. That's how much data it creates at the highest resolution of this camera, a video. And the card can handle this really no problem. Yeah, that's my recommendation for it. I mean, if you have other experiences, go ahead. Let me know in the comments. I mean, there will be a lot of people recommending whatever cards, and whatever works for everybody. Like, you can never tell. Even if you buy the same card from the same brand, it may be slightly different, depending on where and when it was made. But this is the two I use, and I never had a problem with those two.